it's me, Lou here, and in today's episode of How to Use MEDIBANG Paint, we are talking about the cut and paste tool. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to select her mouth with the selection tool, and I'm going to go up to the menu and hit cut, and I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to create a new layer. After I create a new layer, I'm going to go back up to the menu and I am going to click paste. I've circled these different little things for you guys so you can see them a little better. Now I'm going to copy it and then make a new layer, and then I'm going to paste. And just to show you guys that I have done so, I'm going to grab the grabber tool or move tool and I'm going to move the mouth around so you can see there's another one there. Okay, so next up we're going to get the selection tool again, and we are going to select her eye. Now what we want is we want her to have a third eye on her forehead. So I'm going to copy that eye and I'm going to make a new layer and I'm going to paste it into the new layer. So once I've done so, I can use the move tool to move it up to her forehead. Now I'm going to speed up the rest of this video because I want you guys to just quickly get to see what I did there. I just ended up erasing everything around it and kind of just redid her eyelashes and everything just to make it its own eye. And plus, since it is the third eye, it sort of has to have kind of like a left and right edge instead of a tear duct. So that is what I am about to work on in this video. You'll see it in just a moment. But yeah, so she's got a third eye now, and I just hope that this video is helpful to you guys in learning how to use the cut and the copy and the paste tools in the menu in the far upper left hand corner. I hope that helped you guys out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and tell me what you want to see next from this MEDIBANG Paint series. I do want to make one quick announcement. I am planning to go down to 4 videos a week. I know it's probably been a lot better to have the 5 videos a week, but it's actually been getting a little bit difficult for me to keep up with and still have time to do oil paintings. So I will probably be going down to 4 videos a week, and I'm sorry for that, but I'm just trying to get a grasp on my schedule. And I hope you guys have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share it with your friends. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on other art-related content. I make lots of vlogs and other art-related content pretty much every weekday. So thank you so much for being here and have a great day. Bye! So before I go, I just want to shout out my patrons. They're on the screen right now, and I just want to thank them so much for supporting me. They're always so super kind and sweet, and they help me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for being patrons.